Hello everybody, welcome back. This is the third video of the Nitrous system installation. um, I'm gonna be doing the bottle installation this time. It's not that difficult, but I don't want to make it a fix mount kinda, because this is our daily car, so I'm gonna be putting groceries in here. So I'm making some kind of a mount for it, something very simple. I'm gonna just use the bottle for track days, nothing more, nothing less. So maybe the brackets will stay there, not the bottle, just the brackets. But I don't want to make the holes all the way down to the chassis. I mean the body of the car, the metal. So that's why I'm making a little mount that is somewhere. This mount I'm gonna be using. This is an old piece of wood that I had lying around. So this is gonna be under the carpet, under the trunk carpet, and that way I can have something solid, to mount the bottle, but I can still move the carpet, all right, to get into the wheel emergency kit and all that shit. So yeah, this is what I've done so far. I've done the holes. So let's keep doing what I was doing. Okay, that was the bracket install. I have to tighten them now and test fit the bottle. So let's do that. And there it is, installed. It's not, the lines are not fixed. It's just to test fit the nitrous line. But yeah, looks good. I have to move this bracket. I put them backwards. I mean this one I put it backwards. I have to remove it and put it back again, but yeah, it's done. Now I have to fill up the tank and have some fun. I'm sweating my ass off here. Whew, Texas is hot these days. It took me, let's say, 3 days of work, because with my condition I can't be working too much. I get exhausted and out of breath and really tired, so it's not good for me. So I do a little bit I've been doing a little bit every day. So it took me 3 days to install. But yeah, I am very happy, very pleased on how it turned out, and it's looking good. We'll see at the track how it performs. Like I said, it's not for the engine, it's just for the intercooler to cool it down, to have better IAT, colder IATs, and we all know that cold air makes power, so I will gain a couple horses. So yeah, we'll see. As soon as I get to the dyno to test it on the dyno, I'll post a video of it, and so you can see if it's making or not any power. So yeah, that will be all for today, and thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.